Alright, Field Manual 1067-1, Headquarters of the Department of Army. Concepts, equipment of petroleum operation, distribution restriction, approved for public release, distribution is unlimited. And it has 28 chapters. We'll read this, and this will just be the table of contents with the preface. Alright, Chapter 1, Environmental Responsibility. Chapter 2, Safety, Health, Firefighting, General Safety, Petroleum Firefighting, Aircraft Refueling System, Health Hazard. Chapter 3, Quantity and Control, Quantity and Quality Control, Accountability, Inventory, Petroleum Product Sampling, Petroleum Quality Maintenance. Part 2, Petroleum Terminal Pipeline Operation, Waterfront Operation, Loading Unloading Facility, Tank Vessel Loading Unloading Operation, Offshore Petroleum Discharge System. OPDS is tankers, maximum major components of OPDS tankers, beach termination unit, procedures, planning, administrative consideration, communication, installation. Chapter 6, Tactical Petroleum Terminal Concept, primary components, system components, tank farm, installation, terminal operation, maintenance. And Chapter 7, be your inland petroleum distribution system, system components, installation system, operation, maintenance, controlling. Chapter 8, control products in the pipeline. Chapter 9, pipeline operation, duties, personnel, pipeline communication system, schedule, line operation, dispatching, records, and control. Chapter 10, petroleum installation, maintenance, tanker farms, pipeline, surroundings, waterfront facilities. Chapter 11, tanker car operation, tanker car facilities, procedure for loading tanker cars, procedure for unloading tanker cars. Chapter 12, tanker cars, tank vehicle maintenance and cleaning, storage tank maintenance, tank cleaning precautions, equipment storage tank cleaning, tanker car and tank vehicle cleaning. Part 3, aircraft refueling. Chapter 13, aviation fuels, description of fuels. Chapter quality surveillance. Chapter 14, aircraft refueling equipment. Chapter 15, refueling for refueling systems, forward air refueling equipment, temporary, semi-permanent refueling system, HEMTT, tanker aviation refueling systems, Fat Cow Fair, C-17, FARP, using 8 HATARs. Chapter 16, refueling from tank vehicles, refueling operations. Chapter 17, defueling. Chapter 18, over-the-way transportation, external loads, aerial bulk fuel delivery system, wet wing defueling. Chapter 19, aircraft firefighting rescue training, basic firefighting training, basic crash rescue training, tactical firefighting and rescue training. Part 4, petroleum supply point operations, pump, hand-operated pumps, power-driven pumps, filter separators. Chapter 22, storage containers, handling equipment, package, petroleum product, some fuels, bulk petroleum containers. Chapter 23, fuel system supply point. Chapter 24, unit vehicle used in transport, bulk petroleum, tank pump unit, tank trucks, tank semi-trailers, other consideration tank vehicles. Chapter 25, refuel on the move. Chapter 26, class 3, supply point, movement, site selection, layout, operation. Chapter 27, hose line outfit, assault hose line. Chapter 28, receipt, storage, issue, bulk petroleum, bulk operation, receipt, storage, and issue. Appendix A, allowable outage for expansion petroleum products and storage tanks. Appendix B, tank strapping. Appendix C, fundamental pipeline hydraulics. Appendix D, preventive maintenance check services list. Appendix E, water detection test. Appendix F, procedure for testing resistance to ground. Appendix G, filter membrane color ratings, particularly with contamination, aviation, turbine fuels. Appendix H, standard petroleum containers. Appendix I, volume conversion. Appendix J, check list for delivery and unloading. Appendix K, conversion chart list for tank car, tank trucks, U.S. NATO fuel codes, black cards, ID numbers. Appendix 11, petroleum product crude oil factors. Chapter M, flow conversion chart. Appendix N, material safety data sheets. Appendix O, force provider and glossary with references. Alright, preface, and then your send comments, recommendations to the DoD's 2028 Commander USA USA CASCOM Training Directory attending ATCL AQ 801 Fort Lee Avenue, Fort Lee, VA 23801 1713. Alright, part 1, general consideration. We're going to cut the tape there, and Alright, we're going to read part 1. General consideration. The three chapters of the Department of General Consideration, all petroleum operation area of the environmental protection, safety, accountability includes general guidelines conducting type of the aviation related to the activities, include refueling operation. Rest of the chapters in book given the specific considerations in the areas related with the various type of the petroleum operation. Anyone involved planning, evaluation, conducting petroleum operations should be thoroughly familiar with the contents of these three chapters. They should routinely refamiliarize themselves with them as well as the other chapters of the book pertaining to the type of the operation which they are involved. Alright, Chapter 1, Petroleum Unit Environmental Responsibility. And that was the table of contents.